It's me. The Palm Cockatoo, or Palmy, is known for its superior intelligence and longevity. It has a brain-to-body weight ratio comparable to a dolphin or a great ape, and it can live for over 50 years. They mate for life, and like all successful marriages, that means good communication is the key. The hard fruits of the Nonda plum tree are too tough for most birds, but the Palmy has one of the largest and strongest beaks in the bird world. As the female returns to the nest, her belly full, she offers a distinct knock to say, "It's me." But her mate works harder still to message his partner. The male Palmy has an ability long thought exclusively human. He fashions a drumstick and deliberately beats out a rhythm. Each male has his own individual drumming style. Why he does it is unclear. Perhaps it's a show of strength to ward off competitors, or a message to his partner that she need look no further. He and his nest are